Let's talk about the biggest shift in the Greenville, South Carolina real estate market this May. It's inventory. In May of 2024, we had just over 4,100 active listings. May of this year, just over 6,100 active listings. That's a big increase, 45%. Now, new construction is the reason for that big jump. Think townhomes, think new subdivisions, think big builders. So the numbers don't tell the whole story. In our local resale neighborhoods, they're not all saturated. Some might have 2 or 3 listings, others might have more than 5. But then we have some neighborhoods like the Gower area, where the minute a house hits the market, we see it get scooped up, multiple offers every single time this year. Interest rates are still hovering around 7%, but there's a real pressure mounting in Washington for the Fed chair to either lower the rates or step aside. So that can definitely shake things up this summer. But the other big thing to pay attention to is that we are moving toward a balanced market. For the first time in years, our home buyers can actually write an offer to purchase with a home sale contingency. That is good news for the moving of inventory. We'll probably see more transactions year over year. So if this is the year that you're thinking about making a move, I would love to talk strategy with you, whether you're a buyer or a seller. 2 totally different approaches. I'm Angela Rodriguez. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm with Encore Realty, and you can count on me to put the real in real estate. I'll see you on our next video.